Have you ever thought of investing in the future of electric mobility? Imagine harnessing the potential of this rapidly growing market, and all it takes is a modest investment and just 300 square feet of space. Welcome to the world of the SAMKU EV DC fast charging station. Picture a bustling highway, a busy shop, a popular hotel, or even a vacant flat. Now transform that vision into a vibrant hub of electric vehicle charging. With an investment of just Rs 6.50 lakhs, these places and more can become your gateway to a profitable venture. Remember, you don't need a vast expanse of land, just 300 square feet. And what do you get in return? A floodgate of potential charging income opening right at your doorstep. It's not just about the revenue, though. It's about empowering your station with a three-phase 30-kilowatt connection that offers efficient charging for electric vehicles. The SAMKU EV DC fast charging station is more than just a charging point. It's a powerful magnet that attracts customers to shops, enhances properties like hotels and malls with an eco-friendly amenity, and transforms unused spaces into revenue-generating charging hubs. Investing in a SAMKU EV DC fast charging station is not just affordable, it's also smart. It's a step into the future of electric mobility, a future where you're not just a spectator but an active participant. And the best part? A project loan is 100% asterisk available. So why wait? Seize this golden opportunity now. Be a part of the electric revolution, invest wisely, power profitably. For more information, reach out to us at SAMKU E World Private Limited. You can email us at info@samkuev.com or visit our website www.samkuev.com. Alternatively, give us a call at 973-063-2367 or 8600-242-367 or 937-221-8088. Remember, the future of electric mobility is here, and it's as accessible as a SAMKU EV DC fast charging station.